Oh, hey, what you doing over here? What you doing it wrong? That's what it look like. Hey, my name's Wilson. They named me after the neighbor on Home Improvement. I'm gonna be watching you from here on out. All right, peace out, man.
Please subscribe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is DaveNatch. I speak stocks. Today is Sunday, May the 2nd. In today's video, I have 2 plays for you to put on your stock list for this coming week. But before I go there, let me delve into your Friday's recap of the markets. The Dow closed down 0.54% at 33,875 on Friday. The Nasdaq, they closed down 0.85% at 13,962. Apple closed down 1.59% at $131.46. Apple looking bearish here. Please sit tight for the plays. The purpose of the stock list is for you to wait for an opportunity to pounce. Also to do your research on the companies, okay? Check out the CEO, check out the charts, check out the current affairs, so on and so forth. Also, add it to your trading platform as an alert. Increments of 5% movements or more, you should get an alert, okay? Also, you might want to write it down manually. Each day you're going to write where the stock opened, the high of the day, the low of the day, the volume on the day, and where the stock closed, okay? The reason for this is when you write things down, it permeates through your brain. Any movements in the stock, you'll pick it up before the average folks that's not stalking that stock, okay? Let me cut the blatherskite and get into the plays. RHE, put this one on your stock list for this coming week. RHE, they closed up 38% on Friday at $7.22. I'm seeing support at $7.20. RHE opened at 505. High of the day, 1011. 1011, that's a 100% move. The low, 486. The volume on Friday, 37 million shares exchanged hands. Compare and contrast that to their average volume of 1 million. This one might be heading back over $10. Hop on this one before it do so. RHE has spikeability. For example, on or about December the 28th, stock went from $1.54 to $15.77. Let that sink in for a bit. $1.54 to $15.77. That's over 1,000% move in one day. RHE. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 9 million. They have a teeny tiny float of 1.5 mil. 11% of the float are insiders. 8% of the float are institution, and shorts has 3% of the float. Their operating margin is a positive 14%. Their ROA is a positive 1.29%. This is RHE. Their revenue is 17 million. Their revenue per share is 9.87. Okay? Their gross profit is 16 million. I'll say that again. Their gross profit is 16 million. Their EBITDA is a positive 5.19 million. 5.19 million, okay? Total cash is 4 mil. Their total debt is 90 million. They got to work on their debt load, bringing them to a current ratio of below par. Current ratio is sitting at 0.89. Their operating cash flow is a positive 1.29 million. Their leverage free cash flow is a positive 769K RHE. Let me delve right into the second one. Before I go there, put on your stock list DOGE. DOGE is heading up slowly but surely. The stock is up 50% on the week. DOGE. Put that one back on your stock list, okay? Before it reaches 50 cents. Put on your stock list for this week, RAIL, Rail. Rail is up 11% at $7.93. This one is breaking out of 52-week highs. Their 52-week high is 863. Let me give you some bearing on their 52-week range. Their 52-week change is up 566%. Their 52-week low was 90 cents, and the high on Friday, $8.63. RAIL. They're coming out with their earnings on May 17th, okay? Watch for a retracement towards $5.40. That might be your buying opportunity. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 124 million. They have 12 million in the float. 23% of that are insiders. 27% of the float are institution, and shorts has 9% of the float. This is Rail. Their revenue is 108 million. Revenue per share is 8.07. Their quarterly revenue growth year over year is up 35%. I say that again. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 35% year over year. Total cash in hand is 44 million. Their total debt, 85 million, bringing them to a current ratio of 1.70. RAIL. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at @ThePetite, where I'll give you my stock alerts. Okay? In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Set your stop loss. Move up your stop loss. Take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out for now. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Boom, bam! You make your next trade your best trade. Ready to place my bet. This is not financial advice. Gambling is no good, but I have control over me. Okay? Today's video is just about my Saturday errands. Okay? This is a vlog or a vlog. Okay? So I'm at the car wash right about now. Okay? The car is full of pollen. I have bad allergies, so I gotta get the car washed. Don't forget to set your notification. I'll be doing my Sunday stock list tomorrow. Don't miss it.